I already seen it, John. I already seen it, John. You know what I mean?
Seen what?
I already, I think he asked, "Are we in real life friends, or did we meet online and become friends?"
Yeah, we real life friends. Real life friends. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Appreciate for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Are we real life friends? Yes, we're real life brothers. I mean, I wouldn't call us friends. We've been through almost, I think, everything real brothers go through in life. I don't know what we have not been through. Honestly, like we've been holding each other down in different states, and you know what I mean. It's been a lot. So you know, we real life do this. Um, but what I will say, we've gotten arguments. We've been up and downs, man. Stop talking, all that stuff. But what I
It
will
been
say, huh?
it, it been bad in the beginning. It's
Yeah,
been bad. I'm talking about been no pull up. It's been like
yeah, yeah,
it's been so, it's been so weird.
yeah,
We
yeah,
went through a lot.